Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. December 25th, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Fragile, adjective.
नाजुक, कागजी, आसानी से टूट जाने वाला.
Of an object, easily broken or damaged. Example, fragile items such as glass and china. Synonyms, breakable, easily broken, brittle, frangible, smashable, splintery, flimsy, weak. Antonyms, robust. 2. Devastating.
तबाकुन, शदीद अलमनाक, हौसला शिकन.
Highly destructive or damaging. Synonyms, destructive, ruinous, disastrous, catastrophic, calamitous, cataclysmic. Antonyms, blessed, fortunate. 3. Fallout.
नतीजा है.
To express diff opinions about sthfteb angrily. Synonyms, argue, picture, tiff. Antonyms, coexist, get, concur. 4. Inflict, verb.
नज़ला गिराना, गुस्सा उतारना.
Cause something unpleasant or painful, to be suffered by someone or something. Example, they inflicted serious injuries on 3 other men. Synonyms, administer to, deal out to, mete out to, serve out to, deliver to, apply to, lay, impose. Antonyms, remove, alleviate, suspend, spare. 5. Meager, adjective.
लागर, कलील, मामूली.
Of something provided or available, lacking in quantity or quality. Example, they were forced to supplement their meager earnings. Synonyms, inadequate, scanty, scant, paltry, limited, restricted, modest, insufficient, sparse. Antonyms, abundant. 6. Diversify, verb.
मुतफर्रक होना, मुख्तलिफ अल-शक्ल.
Make or become more diverse or varied. Example, the trilobites diversified into a great number of species. Synonyms, branch out, vary output, expand, enlarge operations, extend operations, spread one's wings. Antonyms, conserve, prosecute, stabilitate. 7. Resilient, adjective.
उभरने की कुव्वत, लचकदार.
Of a person or animal, able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Example, babies are generally far more resilient than new parents realize. Synonyms, strong, tough, hardy, quick to recover, quick to bounce back, buoyant, difficult to keep down. Antonyms, vulnerable, sensitive. 8. Animosity, noun.
दुश्मनी, बोझ, उज़्र.
Strong hostility. Example, he no longer felt any animosity towards her. Synonyms, antipathy, hostility, friction, antagonism, enmity, animus, opposition, aversion, acrimony. Antonyms, goodwill, friendship. 9. Verdict, noun.
फैसला, ज्यूरी का फैसला.
A decision on an issue of fact in a civil or criminal case or an inquest. Example, the jury returned a verdict of not guilty. Synonyms, judgment, adjudication, adjudgment, decision, finding, ruling, resolution. 10. Shattered, adjective.
बुरी तरह नुकसान पहुंचाना, तोड़ देना.
Very upset. Example, he was said to be absolutely shattered after losing his job. Synonyms, exhausted, tired out, worn out, weary, dog-tired, bone-weary, ready to drop. Antonyms, fresh as a daisy, raring to go. 11. Precedence, noun.
तरजीह, सबकत, फौकियत.
The condition of being considered more important than someone or something else, priority in importance, order, or rank. Example, his desire for power soon took precedence over any other consideration. Synonyms, take priority over, outweigh, supersede, prevail over, come before. Antonyms: inferiority, sequence, subordination. 12. Clarion.
साफ, बुलंद, खुला,
A shrill narrow-tubed war trumpet. Synonyms: blaring, sharp. Antonyms: low. 13. Contemptuous, adjective.
जिल्लत आमेज, हिकारत आमेज,
Showing contempt, scornful. Example: she was intolerant and contemptuous of the majority of the human race. Synonyms: scornful, disdainful, disrespectful, insulting, insolent, full of contempt, derisory, derisive. Antonyms: respectful. 14. Counterpart, noun.
हम मनसब, हम मर्तबा, जोर,
A person or thing that corresponds to or has the same function as another person or thing in a different place or situation. Example: the minister held talks with his French counterpart. Synonyms: equivalent, opposite number, peer, equal, parallel, complement, match, twin. Antonyms: correlative, complement, supplement. 15. Acrimony, noun.
तल्ख मिजाजी, बदअखलाकी, खुरदरापन,
Bitterness or ill feeling. Example: the AGM dissolved into acrimony. Synonyms: bitterness, rancor, resentment, ill feeling, ill will, bad blood, animosity, hostility. Antonyms: goodwill. 16. Ponder, verb.
सोचना, तदबीर करना, गौर करना,
Think about something carefully, especially before making a decision or reaching a conclusion. Example: I pondered the question of what clothes to wear for the occasion. Synonyms: think about, give thought to, consider, review, reflect on, mull over, contemplate, study. Antonyms: overlook, reject, disregard, forget. 17. Resumption, noun.
दोबारा शुरुआत, दोबारा हुसूल, बाज़याफ्त,
The action of beginning something again after a pause or interruption. Example: with peace came the resumption of foreign imports. Synonyms: restart, restarting, recommencement, reopening, reinstitution, continuation, carrying on. Antonyms: suspension, abandonment. 18. Estrangement, noun.
कशीदगी, बेगानगी, मुफारकत,
The fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of a social group. Example: the growing estrangement of the police from their communities. Synonyms: alienation, turning away, antagonism, antipathy, disaffection, hostility, unfriendliness. Antonyms: unity, reconciliation. 19. Annexation, noun.
तौसी, इल्हाक, मुल्हक,
The action of annexing something, especially territory. Example: the annexation of Austria by Nazi Germany in 1938. Synonyms: seizure, occupation, invasion, conquest, takeover, appropriation, expropriation, arrogation. Antonyms: decrease, loss, subtraction, detachment. 20. Pretend, verb.
नखरे करना, बनना, झूठा दावा करना,
Behave so as to make it appear that something is the case when in fact it is not. Example: I closed my eyes and pretended I was asleep. Synonyms: make as if, profess, affect, dissimulate, dissemble, pose, posture, put it on. Antonyms: be honest, deny, reveal. 21. Entrenched, adjective.
मोर्चाबंद, कलाबंदी,
Of an attitude, habit, or belief, firmly established and difficult or unlikely to change, ingrained. Example: an entrenched resistance to change. Synonyms: ingrained, established, well established, long established, confirmed, fixed, set firm. Antonyms: superficial. 22. Barter, verb.
लेन देन, अशिया का तबादला,
Exchange, goods or services, for other goods or services without using money. Example: he often bartered a meal for drawings. Synonyms: trade, swap, trade-off, exchange, give in exchange, change, traffic, sell. Antonyms: fail, forfeit, lose, misunderstand. 23. Avail, verb.
फायदा उठाना, मदद देना,
Help or benefit. Example: no amount of struggle availed Charles. Synonyms: help, aid, assist, benefit, be of use to, be useful to, profit, be of advantage to. Antonyms: successfully. 24. Earnest, adjective.
पुरखुलूस, संजीदा, टोकन अदायगी,
Resulting from or showing sincere and intense conviction. Example: an earnest student. Synonyms: serious, serious-minded, solemn, grave, sober, humorless, staid, steady, intense. Antonyms: frivolous, apathetic, half-hearted. 25. Introspection, noun.
खुद नगरी, मुशाहिदा बातिन,
The examination or observation of one's own mental and emotional processes. Example: quiet introspection can be extremely valuable. Synonyms: brooding, self-analysis, soul-searching, heart-searching, introversion, self-observation. Antonyms: extrospection. 26. Relentless, adjective.
कड़ा, शदीद, सख्त, बेरहम,
Unceasingly intense. Example: the relentless heat of the desert. Synonyms: persistent, continuing, constant, continual, continuous, non-stop, lasting, never-ending. Antonyms: short-lived, irresolute, intermittent. 27. Stagnant, adjective.
बेहरकत, खड़ा हुआ पानी, सुस्त, जमूद, मंदा, मुर्दा पानी,
Of a body of water or the atmosphere of a confined space, having no current or flow and often having an unpleasant smell as a consequence. Example: a stagnant ditch. Synonyms: still, motionless, immobile, inert, lifeless, dead, standing, slack, static, stationary. Antonyms: flowing, running, fresh. 28. Litigant, noun.
मुकदमा बाजी में मशगूल, मुकदमा लड़ने वाला,
A person involved in a lawsuit. Example: they will do their best to assist any litigant. Synonyms: litigator, opponent in law, opponent, contestant, contender, disputant. Antonyms: ally, assistant, friend, helper. 29. Abiding, adjective.
पायदार, बाकी रहना,
Of a feeling or memory, lasting a long time, enduring. Example: he had an abiding respect for her. Synonyms: enduring, lasting, persisting, long-lasting, lifelong, continuing, remaining, surviving. Antonyms: short-lived, ephemeral, transitory. 30. Amenable, adjective.
इताअत पजीर, फरमाबरदार, मानने वाला,
Open and responsive to suggestion, easily persuaded or controlled. Example: parents who have amenable children. Synonyms: compliant, acquiescent, biddable, manageable, controllable, governable, persuadable. Antonyms: uncooperative. 31. Frown, verb.
तिवरी चढ़ाना, माथे पर बिल डालना,
Furrow one's brows in an expression indicating disapproval, displeasure, or concentration. Example: he frowned as he reread the letter. Synonyms: scowl, glower, glare, lower, look sullen, make a face, look daggers, give someone black looks. Antonyms: smile. 32. Interpret, verb.
तावील करना, मतलब निकालना,
Explain the meaning of information or actions. Example: the evidence is difficult to interpret. Synonyms: explain, elucidate, expound, explicate, clarify, make clear, make plain. Antonyms: misinterpret, misunderstand, mistake. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.